everyone. In today's session, we are going to see how to run our first Selenium script with Gecko driver. Gecko driver is nothing but Firefox driver. Let us first download the Gecko driver. Once we download the Gecko driver, we have to again set the property. We have to use system.set property, and we have to run it in the same way as we did in our previous script. System.set property. These two lines you have to change. These two lines you have to change. So we will comment these two lines and we will write the Firefox WebDriver which we are going to initialize. We will write those scripts. For that, we have to write WebDriver.Gecko.driver and the location of the Firefox driver. For that, we have to download it, and in this line we have to write the script as WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Okay. Firefox driver, and what you have to do is you have to import the Firefox driver. Let's go ahead and download the Gecko driver, which is also called as Firefox driver. In search, you can type as Gecko driver download or Firefox. And download the version which is suited for your system. Over here we will download it for Windows. So if you scroll down here, you shall be able to find out the Gecko driver. Okay, for Windows. If it's a 64-bit operating system, you can choose 64-bit, or if it's 32-bit operating system, you can choose 32-bit. But make sure if you're using Mac or Windows, make sure if you are using Mac, you download Mac Gecko driver. So we'll go to the folder location now, and we will unzip the contents, and we will copy it to a path which we want. So here we have got this Gecko driver. We'll unzip the contents first, and we'll get the Gecko driver. And here we can see the Gecko driver. We'll copy it. And we will paste it in a separate path. Which we will want to use again and again. Okay. So what we have done is we have downloaded Gecko driver.exe from GitHub. Okay, so we got this location now. We will set the path also. Copy, gecko-driver.exe. Okay, so that is gecko driver. Gecko-driver.exe should be double slash so that these two steps won't be run. Only steps which you have not put slash it will run. Okay, so we'll run this and check if it is initializing the Google web page. So we go to the test and we'll run the first script. Okay, now we'll run this program as Java application. Right click on it. Whenever we want to run our program, we need to right click on the Java class file and we need to run as Java application. Okay, and let's see if it's working now. So it will open the Google browser, it will maximize the window and it will wait for some time and it will close, and then it will close the browser because we have given the command to close the window, driver.close. So once it's run, it will close the window. It's running now. Okay. Okay. Somewhat slow. Let's wait for it to finish. Yeah, now it's showing a browser here. Somewhat slow. Okay, the browser window came up. Now it has to go to the Google web page and open the Google screen. No, I think there is some error here. Let us troubleshoot it and see what's the issue. Okay, says driver.version for Firefox. So let us try it once again and see if it is working. For that, let me check the if any configuration is not there in Firefox. Let me just make sure. Sometimes we will be having initialization issues, like some simple issues. You need to be aware of the browser settings so that we don't have any issues running the browser. It should be default browser. Okay, select here no proxy. Okay, close the window, we'll refresh the page and now we'll try again. Refresh. Okay, now we'll try to initialize it again. Run as Java application. Okay, now it should work. again initializing the Gecko driver. Again we have some issue here. I think there is some software update which is not running. Let us wait, guys. Let us wait for what is the update and see, and we'll run it again. So it says closed unexpectedly. I think it's installing some update. Let's wait for the update. Whenever you see any error, you should come here and see what is the exact error or exception, so that we will troubleshoot that same exact error which is coming here, and hopefully it should run. Okay, let's run it again. Gecko driver running. Initialize the browser. And now I think, yeah, now I think it's showing the Google browser. Let's open the page. It is maximized it. It will wait for some time and it should close the window. Yeah, now it's closed. And error, no, this time there is no error. We have successfully completed all the steps and there is no error. So we have completed the steps up to here and it is run successfully. Thank you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video.